Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add automatic subtitles to your videos using Descript's free plan. First, open your project in Descript with your video and transcript ready. Click the Captions button at the top of the screen. Descript will instantly generate subtitles based on your transcript. To customize how they look, click Customize in the caption sidebar. Change the font, size, color, and background. Set the maximum number of characters per line to keep subtitles readable. To adjust the timing of a subtitle, click on the caption box in the timeline below your video. Drag the left or right edge to make it appear earlier or later. To fix a subtitle that's split awkwardly, click the Merge with Previous or Split buttons in the caption editor. To export your video with burned-in subtitles, click Export at the top right. Choose MP4 video as your format. Make sure Burn in Captions is selected. Click Export. Descript will create a video file with the subtitles permanently on screen. And that's it. You've generated automatic subtitles, styled them, adjusted timing, and exported a video with burned-in captions. If this added value to your videos, please like and subscribe. See you next time.